Hey guys, so first things first, we're putting on these gloves. I haven't worn them in a while, and look at that, they were sitting under a cleaning product, but I said I'd do better at keeping my nails maintained. So this is just going to make them last longer. As you see, I'm removing everything out of the bathroom right now, off the floor, off the countertops, and the rug, I'm going to throw it in the dryer while I start cleaning, just to get it nice and fluffy by the time this is all done. So I'm getting all of Chloe's little stuff out of the tub, and this first product is from Grove. It is the Methic Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in the scent Spearmint. I have really been loving my orders from Grove so far, and I believe they're still giving away a 5-piece gift set for free with the purchase of $20 or more. So you guys be sure to check the description box below so you can get you some Grove products, because they are amazing and they are all safe products to use in the household, whether you have kids or not, and they smell really, really good. It seems like these toilets get that harsh water stain around the ring of the toilet so frequently throughout the week, so I do this several times a week. After I scrub it really good, nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and give it a flush, and then I'm just going to rinse off the toilet scrubber before sticking it back in the caddy. And I'm moving on to the mirrors next, and well, the mirror, and I'm using my window cleaner and then that same bathroom cleaner on the countertop. And I'm wiping down my mirror now because I'm using this German chamois that I'm going to use to wipe up everything else. So I just wanted to do the mirror first. It just made more sense to me to do it that way. Yeah, so going back to the toilet, I'm using that bathroom cleaner, and we're spraying the whole toilet down from top to bottom. I just want to make sure that it gets really, really clean and sanitized, because Chloe wanders in the bathroom, especially if for nothing else, you know, she's touching everything. So same German chamois, I'm going to just use it to wipe down all around the toilet, all around the base of the toilet, and then I'm just going to go back in the tub and wipe around the outskirts of the tub and around the bottom where it gets kind of a ring around it sometimes from the water line. But other than that, I don't wash out the tub. I let that product just clean it on its own. It's kind of like self-cleaning. So the last thing I do is Swiffer jet my floor, and I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off my glass scale and just start putting everything back in place. But yeah, you guys, that is it. Those are some of my favorite cleaning products at this moment. Don't forget to check the description box to get you some products from Grove Collaborative. And look at my fluffy rug. It just makes the floor and the bathroom look so much more fresh and put together. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up and subscribe if not already. And don't forget to leave me some comments. I love it when you guys leave me messages down below. Also, I just wanted to point out, I was cleaning and filming this video in my dad's shirt. Rest in peace, Daddy. He was a police officer. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.